What's up everyone, Gabriel here, and I'm going to go through some of my unfinished projects from last year, show you what I've got to do, because I want to get those finished so I can move on to something else. This will be just the miniatures that I've started but haven't finished. Any of my terrain projects or things that I have yet to open are not going to be included. Prior to my move in October, and before I took my sabbatical, I started these blood letters here for Kill Team. I had initially gotten these models 6 years ago from a friend. I figured it was time to put them to use. I will go through that later. Here I've got my squat ammo jack, and my gore half-horn conversions that I've yet to paint. They have been primed, but they just need to be painted. And then I've got the Trader Guardsmen here. These are from the Blackstone Fortress game. I didn't buy the box itself, I just got the supplement that came with the Trader Guardsmen in it. And I have plans to use these guys in the Ash Wastes. And now that Games Workshop has spoiled a new Ash Wastes for the current version of Necromunda, I am more excited to get these guys done now than before. I've got these Plague Marines. I did an unboxing of them, not yet done anything with them. I do have other Plague Marine models that I had initially gotten from the First Strike box. I'm actually going to try and reverse engineer my paint scheme to paint these guys in a similar fashion. I just need to figure out what exactly it was that I did. I've got a Rubric Marine here. I had initially made this guy to go with my Chaos Undivided, and next to him we've got my Goliath Gangers for Necromunda. I did have to kit bash some of these because I took a lot of the bits from the box in order to make my Gore Goliath Gang. So that's why there's a Khorne Berserker axe and a chainsword over there. But these guys need to be painted up, and I actually have a fun scheme that I want to try on these guys. I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. And the one that I'm most excited for now, since the new Ash Wastes has been spoiled, I don't know if it's still going to be usable in the new rules, but I was working on changing the War Mammoth of Harad from the Middle Earth miniature game into a gargantuan beast. If you're unfamiliar with the Ash Waste, kind of think of it like Mad Max in the Necromunda universe. And so you've got vehicles, bikes. With the Ash Waste, there are mutated beasts. So sometimes you'll see people using dinosaurs or other larger beasts like this elephant or even a giant worm playing off of Dune. I don't know if the rules will work in the same fashion in this new version, but I do really like the progress that I've made on this one so far. Have fun, be creative, and happy hobbying.